Hello, my name is Milka Devi. So my son, his name is Jonathan Pratim Deka. He is 4 years old and he has been coming here since already 1 year. So in May he is going to complete 1 year. So so our experience according to my son's improvement. So I can see that he has been improving. But yeah, at the beginning, beginning of improvement to ami dekha nasilu, maybe 6 months wait koribo logia hoise, and by that time a bit like discouragement asile je kyo hoa nai eneko olop monot ahisile. But then we waited patiently and we continued the therapy. So my son is undergoing with OT and speech therapy right now presently. So very soon, maybe after this improvement, after seeing the improvement, I decide career so education not maybe I'll give him. So by coming month, I'm going for education also, for the special education. And by seeing his improvement, actually I'm really very happy. Though it's slow, but he's improving. And hitu karone agote more son more lorar olop mane fear bahut asile, to overcome lahe etia kori ase. OT joar pisod bahut hetu ahise. Then speech oteo like a bosoro 2025 jetia enter korise, that time only I can see that he has started now making sentences also, and he has added many words also, like words bilago etia clearly kobo para hoise, agote hebla clear nasile. So agote like very unclear ba hoito repeat nokore. But this year I can see that he is repeating exactly whatever we pronounce. So pronunciation clear ahise aru sentence form olop koribo hiki ase. So like altogether I can see that my son is really benefiting by this therapy. So I really thank all this the therapists also and the institution for their efforts and their care and loving, how they are maintaining, how they are caring our kids with their own like kids only. So hitu karone I'm really thankful to them, and I encourage other parents also so that they'll continue. We need to have patience actually. Mainly what I have been sharing to all the parents also, it is not our kids treatment, it's our parents treatment actually. We are getting treated here. After coming here ami bahut patience to hikilu, karon am patience or logot ami ahibo lage. বাচ্চাক যদি আমি কন্টিনিউ নকৰো, পেশেন্স যদি না থাকে, তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ বাচ্চাৰ বেনিফিট নহব। সো আমি ওয়েট কৰিব লাগিব, হয়তো 1 ইয়াৰ হ'ব পাৰে, 2 ইয়াৰ্স হ'ব পাৰে, হয়তো কিছুমান বাচ্চাৰ হয়তো 6 মান্থস হ'ব পাৰে, উই ডোন্ট নো, এটো চাইল্ড বাচ্চাৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে। So I encourage all the parents also, please you continue your therapy here so that they can really grow, and you have to take time. Please give time to your kids also. Thank you so much.